Leadership is a great honor. Be proud of what you have accomplished in your career. People look to you to lead. It is a great responsibility. Be an active leader. Motivate your people. Model honest and ethical behavior. Begin with balanced leadership. Think like a customer. Act like an owner. Feel like a valuable employee. Let our values guide you. Who we are, what we stand for. We will never compromise our values. Inspire action. Do the right thing rather than things right. Take care of customers. Treat each other with dignity and respect. Understand the significance of our reputation. Share the vision. Commit to the rapid rebuild of our brand. Our reputation is a reflection of the character and values of our people and the service we provide. Unitech and you, a mindset. Our mission, unique, unified, poised for growth. Your call to action.